Hello live-in carers, how are we doing, or potential live-in carers? Here's Thomas. Let's talk today in this video about side hustle or side job. What can we do while we're doing live-in care, right? You're going to do live-in care and you might just do it 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off, and then have your life and your family and other job or no job when you are not with your live-in client. Or you might be doing it full time, you know, like really long time. And there is a risk that you will just start watching Netflix on your time off, watching television, or spending too much time with your client chatting, or sleeping, or you really maybe become depressed, or you read books, or you spend all your time on social media, on Facebook, scrolling down, things like that. And that's okay, that's fine if this is the kind of person you are. But if you want to achieve something else in your life, something more, something better, and live-in care is just a stage for you to maybe earn the money for your next step, for your business, for your house, you know, whatever reason you're doing it, but if you have some ambitions, then I tell you one thing. Live-in care is an excellent opportunity for you to have no expenses, to have almost like free food, to have easy job once you get used to it, to have free accommodation, and basically have also free Wi-Fi. Almost every client these days has a Wi-Fi, so basically they all have Wi-Fi, let's talk like that. So you have a Wi-Fi in the house of your client, you have your room, and you have your privacy and your time, and you should use this time to do something else. So there's lots of online jobs. I also have videos on my channel about different online opportunities, online jobs, passive income jobs. And you should watch these videos and find something that will work for you. For example, there are these dating websites all around the world that hire, this is a bit controversial, but it can work for you. They hire people who work from their home on any time that works for them, and any day. It can be different time slot, and you work as a chat administrator on these websites. So you can easily do that during your time off as a live-in carer. What else? You can also do have a YouTube channel, for example. You can talk about things, you can do the book reviews, or something that you can do in your room, because maybe client doesn't want you to film in their kitchen when you're cooking, or you can go out and film something else and have a YouTube channel. There is many of these copy-paste jobs, but be careful with the copy-paste jobs. When you watch videos about copy-paste jobs, you will realize that there is many, especially Americans, who talk like, wow, this is amazing opportunity, and they want you to just copy what they are doing. Copy-paste jobs. So it's basically some data, some information, which is overall worth nothing. It's just you pay them $500 usually, and for that $500 you will get the system, some ebook, how to do the same what they are doing, how to find people online, ask them for $500 and show them how to do same what they are doing. So to ask other people for $500 and show them how to ask other people for $500. So this is a pyramid scam. Be very careful with that. Obviously you don't want to do something pointless like this. There is other online jobs, there are websites. I have many videos on another playlist on my channel where I talk about these online jobs. For example, if you have a camera, there's a website which pays you for photos that you take, or for example they need photos of cars, of red cars, for example, really these kind of assignments. So you go out, walk around, take photos of red cars, submit the photos, and you get paid to your account. Okay, you can do this. For example, if you have a knowledge of a foreign language, also on these websites you can do some assignments, testing of our called localization, checking some translations that have been done. You can do it on your free time when you do live-in care. So there's not eternity of free time while you do live-in, and also that's why you have to be very wise with how you use this free time. If you want to make extra cash or just relax, and you find with what you're earning from the live-in. But once you start working, doing something else while you are at the live-in, one piece of advice is don't tell your client too much about it. Your client will start thinking, if you tell them that on your break you are doing something else, that you are getting tired, you are not resting, you are staying up late or getting up early to start your other job and jeopardizing your energy levels, and this way not working properly for the client. Okay, you might as well do all this and feel tired, but you know, be responsible, don't overdo it, give a good care, good job to your client. He is your main source of income, and parallelly with that work on something else. Okay, or start planning, at least start planning things. You have tons of time, you can meditate and plan your future life. Okay, but as I said, there's lots of online jobs. I have it here on my channel, and you can find something that will work for you, and you can easily do it while you are doing live-in care. So good luck with that, guys. If you like the video, please share it with your colleagues, your friends who do live-in care or who want to do this, and give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys.